rough idle, misfire, and poor fuel economy are signs you may have a failing fuel injector in your common rail fuel system, which leads to discovering deposit buildup, particle contamination, or water in your fuel system, taking you off the road and money out of your pocket. It's time to put an end to your troubles and find your complete solution. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide technical service, accurate parts ordering, and fast shipping, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this genuine Bosch remanufactured common rail fuel injector for the Cummins ISB. From the industry leader in diesel fuel systems, this common rail injector is a far superior performer than our competitors. Produced and tested using the latest Bosch technology. All wearable components are replaced with new OE parts. Remanufactured with upgrades to components and specs, giving you quiet running, low fuel consumption, and fewer emissions. Quality, reliability, and power. Backed by a 1-year warranty and expert advice from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical expertise, quality diesel parts, fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.